In this quick video, we're going to talk about how to get all the values on the unit circle. So first, we're going to start off with the degrees and the number or the values around the outside, because that's what we learned first. So the first thing you have to do is you just have to know quadrant 1. You just have to memorize quadrant 1, 30, 45, 60. All right, you start with the 3 in the first place, 3, 2, 1. You go the other way, 3, 2, 1. All right, these 1/2s kind of line up right where they should be in terms of x being 1/2 and y being 1/2. All right, but you just have to memorize this. All right, next we're going to get all the angles, but remember all these big gaps are 30. All the little gaps in the middle are 15. It's just adding, you get all those. Then we're going to look at all the angles that are related to 30. All right, all these kind of ones in the middle, they all have the same value, but x is negative here, y is negative here. Then we do the same thing with the middle angles. Those are all the same values, just negatives in the right place. And then we do the same thing with our kind of ones near the y-axis. They all have the same values, just negatives in the right place. So now we have our kind of our complete unit circle with degrees and values. Now we just need radians. So right away, again, just in quadrant 1, kind of just have to memorize that pi over 6 goes first, pi over 3 goes up there. All right, to get quadrant 2, again, these values in the middle are all going to have over 3. These ones are going to have over 4. These ones near the x-axis are going to have over 6. But how do we figure out what the numerators are? All right, here in quadrant 2, we're a little less than pi, so we're going to take that bottom number and subtract 1. All right, subtract 1 each time. In quadrant 3, we're going to take that bottom number and add 1 each time. In quadrant 4, we double the number and then subtract 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7. 12 minus 1 is 11. And if you remember those little shortcuts, you're not actually remembering 50 different things on the circle. You're kind of memorizing just like 5 things and kind of repeating them in different ways.